Today, I'm making my healthy walnut fudge. Combine the peanut butter, the coconut oil, and the honey in a medium bowl. Microwave about a minute until the oil has melted. Whisk everything together. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Add the cocoa powder and whisk that together. Add the coconut flakes and the walnuts and whisk that all together. Pour in a foil-lined dish and put it in the freezer for about an hour to set up. Lift it out of the dish. Remove the foil. Now carefully cut it into even pieces. Thanks for watching.